Hi friends, welcome back. In previous session, we have seen inheritance. In this session, we're going to see polymorphism. Polymorphism, in the sense, the meaning of polymorphism is poly means many, morphism means forms. Existing something in multiple forms. Here, existing a method in multiple forms is polymorphism. Here, if you see, polymorphism can be achieved in two different ways, two different things. One is overloading, another one is overriding. Overloading and overriding. In any class, multiple methods has same name but difference in number of parameters, order of parameters, or type of parameters. Number of parameters here, if you see, here the parameter is 0 parameter, here the parameter is 1 parameter. There is a difference, the method name is same. In any class, multiple methods, these are multiple methods having same name, all are having display, but difference in number of parameters. One is 0 here it is 1. Or order of parameters here, it is integer and float, here float and int. Order is different, the type of the parameter are different, or type of parameter, here display AVAR, but type is different, here it is int, here it is float. Polymorphism, which can be achieved in two different ways. One is by using overloading, another one is overriding. Overloading in the sense, in the same class, in a same class, you need to remember, in any class having same method name but difference in number of parameters, order of parameter, or type of parameters. Here these are the examples. The method name is all these are existing in only one class. Assume that all these methods are existing in only one class, but the name of the method is display. But there is a difference in either number of parameter, order of parameter, or type of parameters. Number of parameters means here it is 0 parameter, it is 1 parameter. Type of parameter, the method name is display AVAR, but type is different, here it is int, here it is float. Order of parameters, here it is int float, here float int. Here display is the method name, it is same in all 5 statements, but there is a difference in number of parameters, type of parameters, or order of parameters. Hope overloading is clear. Overloading in the sense, the method name is same but performing additional functionality. Here yesterday we have seen two methods, addition of two numbers, addition of multiple numbers. The method name was addition only. One is taking two arguments. If you put more load means more number of arguments. Overloading, it is performing additional functionality. The method name is same but doing additional functionality. That was called overloading. Yesterday itself we have seen that. Let me open that. Here addition of two values, right? Addition of a value and b value. Here also we are having addition of n number of values. Addition of n number of values. Actually, what is the statement? What is overloading? In a same class, but here we are having in two different classes. Here addition is one method. Here also the name is addition. This is called overloading, we can say. But actually, for the overloading, the statement is the method name should be same. The method name should be same. But here we're having, let me create let calc equal to basic calculator calc dot addition. There are two methods. Addition is one method. Addition a value and b value is another method. There are two methods. Actually, the name looks the same, addition, but actually whenever we are trying to call, it is actually method name C. This is addition. This is addition a value and b value. Okay, actually it is overloading, but in coming to the technology, Swift does not follow overloading, does not allow overloading, because for overloading the method name should be same, right? but there should be either number of parameters, order of parameter, type of parameters should be different. Where let's say int float. And ignore this. Whether Swift allows overloading or not, just ignore. What I'm trying to say here is, here if you see, I want to achieve the overloading. The method name is same, addition, but difference in number of parameters. Here it is 0 number of parameter addition method. Here addition with addition method with one parameter. Okay, here if you see, these two are addition methods only, but difference in type. One parameter is int. Here also type of parameters are different. The difference between these two methods are number of arguments. The difference between these two methods are type of arguments. And let me create one more method, addition. A where is int, comma, B where is float. Addition, A where is of float, B where is of int. The difference between these two methods are order of parameters. Order is one is first int, then float. Order of parameters int, comma, float. Here the order of parameter is float, comma. Hope this is clear. Overloading means having the method name is same, but difference in number of parameters, order of parameters, or type of parameters in a same class. It should be in a same class. Hope this is clear. Functionality is different. Whatever you want, you write it. But if the method names are same, with the difference in number of parameters or order of parameters or type of parameters, that is known as overloading. I'll tell you whether the Swift is achieving overloading or not. Swift supports overloading, but not Objective-C. Okay. Objective-C does not support because actually the method name is getting changed. Anyways, we see this and confirm. Then the overloading can be achieved in another way, which is called overriding. Overloading can be achieved in a single class, whereas for overriding in inheritance relationship. In inheritance relationship means in subclass and superclass. Having the same method in superclass and subclass, having same method in superclass and subclass with the difference in implementation. Use override keyword to override a function, override a method. To achieve overriding, you must have inheritance relationship between two classes. Here, we have see here, we have basic calculator. In basic calculator, I am having a display outputs method. I am displaying 5 values. Subtraction, whatever we did, right? Let me remove to make it clear. Here, we are having in the scientific calculator, I want to have the method name is same. In subclass as well, but this method, what it does, it prints sum, it prints subtraction, it prints multiply, it prints division, it prints power. We have read power method. Okay, the method name is same. If you write this, the method name is same, it won't allow. To make it allow, we need to use override keyword. Okay, display, my calculator contains display. Any calculator contains display method. Okay, but the scientific calculator display is different because it is having some additional functionality. It wants to display a power multiply division as well. So if we simply call display method, what it does, it simply prints some addition and subtraction. But I want the scientific calculator to print multiply division power as well. Let me show you the same example. Hope this is clear. I'm just commenting overload thing. Okay, let me write it down. So do you write that back? Okay, this is my basic calculator. I want to print results. Print display inputs. Display inputs. I want to print. The inputs are first value is first value. Second value is second value. I just want to print this. Okay, I printed. I'm having a price method, price variable here. Okay, scientific calculator is price here. Let me create. I'm having scientific calculator method. Scientific calculator can now access. I'm setting values here. Now I want to print the inputs. I purchased a scientific calculator. I entered two values, first value and second value. I just want to print them. Scientific calculator dot display inputs. Similarly, hope this is clear. Basic calculator. I want to display basic calculator dot display. Whatever parameters we have here, I want to print them. Whatever parameters here we have, I just want to print them. Okay. See the difference here. Scientific calculator display inputs. It is printing 10 and 20 only. Actually, I want to print all the arguments, all the instance variables. The scientific calculator contains now superclass instance variables such as those are first value and second value, and subclass in scientific calculator we are having a property called instance variable called price. I want to display all three. So what I can do is func display inputs. Here I am printing print first value, second value, third value, that is price value, price. I'm having same method here in inheritance relationship, having same method name. Display inputs is here. Here also display inputs. Now you are trying to call display inputs from the scientific calculator. You're trying to call display inputs from scientific calculator. Now the scientific calculator is in confusion whether to call this method or this method. Whether to call this method, because the method names are same. Okay, whenever you're writing same method name in subclass and superclass, you need to use override. Overriding means you're overriding. What is the meaning of overriding? If there is something already written, you have to wipe that and rewrite something. Here we are doing the same. We are rewriting everything. Now, when you call on top of scientific calculator object, when you call display inputs, it prints three values, means all three properties. On top of a basic calculator, if you call display inputs, it prints only two values. Run this. Three values are printed. Here, basic calculator, two values are printed, first value and second value. Here, three values are printed. All the properties of basic calculator are printed here. All the properties of scientific calculator are printed here. but the method name is same. To write the same method name, to write the same method name, we need to use override in inheritance relationship. This is called overriding. Overriding, what is overriding? In inheritance relationship, having same method name in superclass and subclass with difference in implementation. In implementation is different. Here, the method name is display inputs only. It is having only 2 lines of code. It is having 3 lines of code. There is a difference in implementation, but the method name is same. The method name is same. Hope this is also clear. This is all about oops. ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే చెప్పండి.